everybody! Today I am in the kitchen once again to make some yummy custard. And if you guys are visiting my channel for the first time and you don't know me, my name is Mudita and you are watching also Mudita. So now let's start on with making this yummy custard. I am excited. To make any dish you need ingredients to make the food item you are making. So the main ingredients are milk, obviously, custard powder and some sugar because that's where the sweetness comes from. Because you need sugar to everything. And now for the fruits. We have some kiwi, We have lots of pomegranate. I can't hold a single little pomegranate seed to show you, but I already did. And we have some chopped up grapes, chopped up bananas, chopped up mangoes, my favorite, and chopped up apples, vanilla extract and kesar, but this is optional. If you want to add the kesar, then you can because I want to. If you don't, then your choice. Let's start. So first of all, we need cut the milk packet and then put it into the saucepan. Be very careful with it. No. Let's first switch the induction on and heat it till it boils. Now we need to add 3 tablespoons of sugar into the boiling milk. 1, 2 and 3. Now let's stir it so that sugar clumps don't come into our mouth. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of custard powder into this bowl. Bloop. That was solid. Now let's mix it, but we need to add some milk in that too. Now we need to add little bits of milk into the custard powder. We just added into the bowl. Mix it, no clumps left. Make it into, a paste type of texture. And then put it into the boiling milk bowl. Now that we have our mixture ready over here, we're gonna take the same spoon and add 2 drops of vanilla extract into it. And now we need to add 2-3 strands of saffron into the milk. Let's take the 2-3 strands of queso. 1. That's 2 right there. And 2. And last one. Now let's put the custard mixture we just made into the milk. Now that we have our mixture ready, we need to stir it well so that no singular clumps are left in there. And we also need to cook it for 5 minutes. Check whether your custard consistency is thick, like mine. But if you think it's too thick, you can add some milk over it and stir it. And then according to the room temperature, you need to cool it down, and the best part, you can add the fruits into it. Yes, I'm excited. Now that our custard is cooled down, we are gonna put the fruit in some style, or you can just put it randomly like meh. First we're gonna put some grape and custard. Be careful. Now we're gonna add some bananas. There we go. Now to garnish it off, we're gonna take some pomegranate, my favorite, mango on the top, and a kiwi to finish it off. There we go. Now it looks like a butterfly. Let's put this custard, yummy custard, into the freezer so that it can cool down and then enjoy. Not must be close to frozen or fully frozen. Now let's take it out. Oh yep, that looks frozen and ready to eat. Now pop a spoon and enjoy. Yes, this is gonna be yummy, I assume. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nom nom. Okay, that was delicious. I think you should try this recipe at your own home because I'll tell you, it'll be worth it. It's really delicious, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family members. Bye for now.